What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be unboxing the Tecovas Jason. They are a Western boot. In fact, they are a cowboy boot. They have a pretty interesting feature, which is nice. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Here we go. So this is the box. I'm gonna flip it around for you guys so that way you can see the logo properly. What the box looks like from the front. On the bottom of the box it says quality Western goods will always shoot you straight. Born in Texas, made by hand. Let's check out the side of the box if we can. Has some barcodes. Look at the top of the box where the handle is. Quality in every stitch, comfort in every step. Tecovas right on the handle, green plastic handle. And then the other side. This is going to face the other direction so I can access the opening point on the box. So here we go. I'm going to unlatch the box. And there we go. So on the top of the box, that's what it reads. If you guys want to pause the video, you guys can read it. Okay. And what you're welcome with is a nice little sticker designed in Austin, Texas. Tecovas, handmade in Leon, Mexico. A lot of boots these days are made in Mexico because they are cheaper to make and their manufacturing down there is really great. Let's go ahead and take this guy apart. I'm going to be careful because I like to make sure that it stays intact. So let's flip that up. Let's flip this down, and it looks like these guys are in plastic bags, which is really nice. The other pair that I got were the Cartwrights, and they weren't in plastic, I don't believe. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out the right boot. And I got these in a size 9. They say that they run big, so I'm usually 9.5 with the Cartwrights. And there you go. You have a nice cardboard piece holding the boot together. Tecovas, the logo. Let's go ahead and take that out. It's a placeholder for the boot shaft. Let's take a look inside if we can. Okay, we got some paper down there. It says Tecovas. Has the serial number down there. It says handmade in Mexico, leather upper and rubber sole. Okay. So this is all made out of cowhide, and it's a nice leather, nice shiny leather. They do put a water resistant coating onto the boot, so they actually kind of market it that way, where these boots are more made for being outside more frequently during rain and bad weather, so you can wear these things around. So the one feature, as we take a look around this boot, you got the nice stitching up there, nice stitching on the toe. So the one feature that they talk about also is the rubber sole all the way through. So you got, instead of the leather showing here, you have this nice rubber piece right there. The Tecovas label right there. And they call this rubber Vibram. I don't know if you guys can tell. Vibram. So these are going to be more for daily drivers. These would also go really nice with the suit because of that nice shiny leather on there, and it feels good, feels really quality. We have that leather heel with the rubber cap on it. Nice stitching here, a good Goodyear stitching, welt stitching. And yeah, this is a very sharp boot. This is very nice. Okay. We'll leave the paper in there for now. Let's put this boot off to the side. Let's get this other one out of here. I think get that box out of here eventually here. Okay, nothing else is in the box, just the paper. Nothing underneath. Oh, it says giddy up, y'all, on the bottom. This wrapping is a lot better than what they did with the Cartwrights. Nonetheless, a great boot. Let's get this out of here. Alright, let's do the same thing. Let's take a look at the boot. This is the left boot. Same thing. Let's take a tour. Okay, again, nice shiny cowhide. Okay. Same thing on the bottom with the T and the Vibram logo, and then if you guys can tell, it has this nice horizontal grip going across like this, and that should be really nice in the rain, snow. I've heard some people use these boots for actual work, and that would also do. Now, I put these on before we did this unboxing just to make sure that they fit. I gotta say, these just slip on. They're very nice. They say that they do run big, so again, if you're normally a 9.5 like me, or whatever size that you are, always size down, and then they'll fit pretty snug. On the website you can get the wider version if you have a wider foot. Real quick, comparative to the Cartwrights, which are very similar to the Jasons, I gotta say these actually fit a lot better. They slip on a lot better, just because I think of the sizing. I think true to size may be a little bit too tight, but that could also be just the type of leather that these are, because it's a little bit more slick than the Cartwrights. The Cartwrights are goat leather, and they're a little bit more of a dry lining inside, so sometimes your sock just gets stuck. I'm actually getting stuck on my Cartwrights right about here, trying to get my top of my foot past, and then my heel kind of gets stuck up here, and then I got to really push down to get the foot all the way through. But with these, when I put them on, they were just like butter. They slipped right on, and it's supposed to hug your foot just like a glove, like a firm handshake, as they say, and you're supposed to be able to wiggle your toes around a little bit here, which is really good. That worked for me, and yeah, really comfortable and really easy to get into, just because of, again, of that nice slick leather instead of that goat leather, which is more, again, more dry. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing here. Let's just take this out, just to finish it off here. Same thing. The Tecovas logo inside, the serial number, handmade in Leon, Mexico. I will be wearing these a lot. Definitely for work, because I do a little bit of work outside. Sometimes it can be wet. And these are great for the autumn and winter, fall and winter seasons, because it snows, rains. We get all 4 seasons in one day sometimes over here. So if you guys want to check these out, these things are really great, and I will leave my link for $50 off in the description, so you guys can get $50 off of these guys or any pair of Tecovas boots or what have you from the website. It's really great. Check them out. But that's going to end today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.